Hey art lovers! Don't we all love cozying up and working in our comfort zone rather than doing so on a desk for hours? So a foldable bed study table is the perfect solution. But it's always either hard to find in stores or out of our budget when shopping online. No worries, because this is so easy to be made at home and can be customizable to your needs. I found a plank of wood board in my storeroom which measured 11 into 20 inches and 1 inch. A foldable bed table is ready to use. The cost of this table is equal to the ratio of 1:6 and above. Guys, this video is a money-saving craft, so go for a try, and kids, please do not attempt this task without elder supervision. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Zeb will appear soon with another amazing piece of art. Till then, keep crafting. Bye-bye.